Hi, in this video I will explain how to post on the Facebook group without showing your name. You can do this trick so that your friends don't know about your posts. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. First, let's log into Facebook first. The second step, click the three-line icon in the right corner. Then, click on the group icon to see a list of your groups. Click on your group. Then, click on Write Something. Activate the anonymous post feature to hide your Facebook name. Then, click Post. To use this feature, you must wait for approval from the group admin about your post. Hopefully this video can help you. If you have questions, please write them in the comments column.